In this video, I'm going to show you how to view and manage your assets. So managing your assets, it's accessible like in this section, okay? And you have workspace assets and you have public assets. So to create new folders, easy like this, you just need to create the folder and click enter. And you can drag and drop your assets like this, so it's very easy. Or you can click in this icon to upload your assets. Okay, so you can search. Okay, so you can do any search of your assets with text or by types. You can select any asset type like this, and it will filter your assets very easily. You can also reorder them. If you hover on the card of the asset, you see this drag handle here. So if you want to organize them better, you can reorder the assets on the page you are, okay? And if you click the preview, you see the preview information of the asset. So you can preview it and you can see all these details of the asset. And you can, for example, view it in 2D or in panorama mode in this case. For example, I have this panorama, so I can preview it in panorama mode as well. On the public assets, you have a list of providers, of public providers that we included, and you can easily drag and drop any of these assets to your story, okay, to your project, and they will automatically import the asset to your workspace. But be careful because of the license, okay? So sometimes you have different licenses for the assets. So be sure that you are allowed to use these assets, and you can also copy the credits and use them. This one, for example, is the Pexels license. So if you click it, you see the license here. If I go, for example, to Polyhaven, you see that we have a license of a Creative Commons 1.0 universal on this one. So you have all the information to be able to understand how, if it's allowed to use the asset. So you can use Polyhaven for HDRs. They also have images. They also have 3D models, which is kind of nice. 3D models are very good. I will show you what on a story. For example, this one. So if you go to the assets like this, for example, if I want to drag and drop this 3D model, it will import the 3D model. So we have to wait for some seconds, and we have the 3D model in here. So for example, if I want an HDR right now, I will drag and drop the HDR, and you can see it works out of the box as any other entity that you uploaded to your workspace. Same with Lottie files. If we drag and drop any Lottie file to our story, we see that we have a pretty nice way to drag and drop, and very easy to drag and drop assets from the public. You can also delete them. So for example, now I'm using some of these assets, but if you want, you just right click on the card to delete, or you can click Shift to select and to batch select different assets and delete all of them. Or you can use command. In my Mac I use command, and you can select whichever asset you want to delete, and you can delete. You can also change the thumbnails. For example, if I want to change the thumbnail of this asset for any reason, I can do it as well. And for example, I can also select or deselect all like this. All the assets that you upload appear on this background tasks pop-up. Okay, so when you start uploading assets, it will say completed here or errored assets for some reason. You can clear them all, or you can delete, or you can close it, or if you clear them, the icon disappears. Okay, so I guess that's it. I hope you understood it, and see you on the next video.